Hey guys, Al Madalena here, doing some perch fishing on Lake Erie, and it's a beautiful day. Just got a few. Had to move around quite a bit before I got them. I got some minnows, and I had to get away from the pack of the boats because I had to move 3 or 4 times before I could find them. But didn't do too bad. That's the kind of fishing we're getting on Lake Erie. It's late October. Weather's beautiful. Back to more fishing. I got another one on here. Wonder if I can do the filming. Look at that go. Got a nice double header here. All right. Fish on. Here's another double header. Not bad size. Got another double header, guys. Looking good. Good size ones. Lake Erie, October, late October, just off of Point Avenue and 62 feet of water. It's a great day. Fish on. Okay guys, here's a nice jumbo perch on Lake Erie. Just picked this guy up when I had fish on. It's good. That's got to be 13 inches probably. Nice one. Right on. Having a good day here. Back to fishing. Here's another one. Beauty. Alright. Like I said, it took me a while before I found them. I had to move around 3 or 4 times. It's worth moving. So guys, even when you're in the middle of this big flotilla of boats and you don't seem to be marking any, or you don't seem to be catching any, or even no bites, sit there for 20 minutes. I wouldn't sit there any longer than that and then move, because sometimes they move around. You got to find them. And that's what I did today. I had to move around 4 or 5 times. And as you can see, I'm getting them. Alright. Back to fishing. Here on Lake Erie perch fishing, here's a sample of today's catch. Not bad, not a bad day.